Happy New Year everyone. I hope your year is off to an amazing start. You guys asked for more organization videos, so here I am, and today we're going to be talking about ideas and tips for bathroom organization. I will also be sharing a couple DIYs and hacks along the way, so if you are interested in those, please make sure you keep watching till the end. And if you are interested in more organization videos, I do have full kitchen, pantry and fridge organization up on my channel. If you want to check those out, I'll link all those videos down below. I'm trying to follow the KonMari method for decluttering, so I haven't kept much stuff on the countertops. So the first step in any organization is to declutter and purge. Give away the items you don't need. Perhaps there will be some items that you want to donate or share them out with family or friends, or there will be some expired items also that you simply just want to throw away. So I went ahead and emptied all the drawers and cleaned them out, and that brings us to our first bonus tip on how to make a homemade DIY cleaning spray. You'll just need 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water and 20 drops of your favorite essential oil and a spray bottle. Tip number 2 is to use drawer liners. They will protect your drawers and undersink area in the bathroom in case anything spills, and they also add a splash of elegance to the drawers as well. It's definitely one of those things that make our life easier in the long term. So once you clean and line the drawers, the next step is to figure out and visually plan out what goes where. And the system that works best for me is to place my everyday items in the top drawer, things like cotton pads, floss, everyday creams, deos, easily accessible here in the first drawer. And I got all the organizers in this drawer from the dollar store. These partition organizers are non-skid and such a great quality for just $1, and I saw the exact same ones on Amazon for $11 a piece. So I don't use makeup every day, so for me it goes into this second drawer here. I found this vanity spinner that I thought would be ideal for organizing items that keep getting all over the place, things like bobby pins, rubber bands, and I thought this organizer would be perfect for those little things. So I'm not a makeup expert and I don't have a ton of makeup, so for me this divided organizer is all I needed. I have these pen holders from dollar store as well that I use to store eyeliners, mascara, and the other one for lip liners and lip gloss. And again, grouping similar items together is the key. I've organized mine in 4 categories: eyes, face, lips, and makeup brushes. And the handle makes it so convenient to just pull it out and put it back in. And in that pouch there at the back, I store my extra items. So whenever my favorite brands are having sale, I stock up and I place them in this little bag in the same drawer so I don't forget about these extra items that I bought. And because we just talked about organizers and buying new organizers, I wanted to share tip number 3 here. For taking stickers off of new stuff, heat the sticker using a hot dryer on low setting, and you will see the stickers will come right off without leaving any residue. So the third and bottom drawer on my side is where I keep all the extra items or items that I don't need on a daily basis, or sort of less frequently used things like travel pouches, bindis, face strips, etc. So we don't have a linen closet in our bathroom, so I use these middle drawers to store our hand towels, and foot spa tubs that would otherwise go into the linen closet. Now coming to my husband side of the drawers, I followed the same principle here. Everyday items in the first drawer, and I created partitions using these dollar store organizers so stuff stays in place. And I've used drawer liners here as well. Next drawer is for his extra supplies. Again, I use those drawer partition organizers here. And then the bottom drawer is where we keep our family extra supplies, extra toothpaste, extra soap bars, floss, and things like that. Moving on to under the sink bathroom organization. So left side is where we keep all our cleaning supplies in one caddy, so everything is there in one place, and when we are doing the cleaning it's convenient to take it out and move around with one caddy that has everything over taking out individual supplies and putting them back in. And then for extra supplies, I've used this big Lazy Susan so we can just spin it and see how much supplies we currently have. Now my side of under sink cabinet, I've kept completely for hair tools and hair products, and I got this hair tools organizer that has this pocket at the back to hide those big wires. And if you don't want to screw the nails in, command hooks are great, no damage solution. I've grouped the hair oils together and other hair related items in this basket which I got from the dollar store as well. Now, I personally think hair brushes take too much space in the drawer, and I have a few of those, so I've used this caddy to store all those along with hairspray and couple other hair tools I have, and I've added some height to this vertical space using a cabinet shelf organizer so I don't have to bend too much when I'm pulling out this caddy. The last bonus tip that I wanted to share with you guys is for cleaning under sink area. Try scrubbing it off with toothpaste and an old toothbrush. You will be surprised to see how quickly those marks and scuffs will come right off.
I really hope you got some ideas and inspiration. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.